Today's chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, Dr. Rajan Vedukar, Hinduja Advisor, Solomon Rajji, our Dean Faculty of Commerce, Dr. Principal Madhu Nair, Director Naveen Chandra Export Private Limited, Sri Naveen Chandra Mehta, Rahul Desai, Sanjay Shetty is the Management Council member of University of Mumbai, and other delegates here. Now this is the first time we have started 35 courses already, certificate courses, advanced courses also there, but large demand from this diamond area, Upper House. Last 10 years back when I was principal, at that time also James and Jewelry Association approached me, but the problem is the laboratory. Because we can give the classes here, but laboratory is the lacking. But 8 days before back, Rahul Desai came to me along with our principal, Minu Madlani. Then I told that our Vice Chancellor wants new courses, skill development courses, innovative courses. Then Honorable Dean Madhu Nair, he has taken in the Board of Studies and faculty because the procedure is there in Mumbai University. It goes to the BOS, Board of Studies in Commerce, then it goes to the Academic Council, then Management Council. But Madhu Nair formed a committee under the leadership of Minu Madlani, Rahul Desai, and Khyati Hora. These are the committee members. They are framed this syllabus, and it is put before the Academic Council on 28th April. It is unanimously appreciated by all the Academic Council members of the university. And this course is the first course in Mumbai University, as well as it will be the first course recognized by the university in India, because all private classes are there, they are started this course. But this is the first course and recognized by renowned our Mumbai University. And that all credit goes to the Vice Chancellor and Academic Council member and Dean Commerce, Faculty of Commerce. Now this is a course, sir, conducted in the laboratory of SRDC, because it is a technical course. And classes will be held in Hinduja College on Sunday only. Because practical training, full training is given by SRDC, that is a company. And practical classes will be there. And as rightly said Minu Madlani, that is certificate is given by the university, not Hinduja College or SRDC. In associate, that's on the certificate, the name will be University of Mumbai, then Hinduja College and SRDC name will be there. Because that is carries weight in the industry. I must thank, because while going the Vice Chancellor on 31st to London, I requested, because he has just came yesterday from the London, I requested on 31st, sir, we are organizing one function here, and that is also convocation as well as inauguration of this course. These 5 courses are there. One is polish demand grading, masters in diamonds, jewelry designing level, and James Junior. These are the jewelry, and one course that is related to the business, that is a corporate Chinese course. And we are lucky the Vice Chancellor is here to announce and to inaugurate these programs in Hinduja College along with the SRDC. Thank you.